The SketchUp Sandbox is a suite of tools that allow you to work with areas of adjacent surfaces. To activate these tools, go to the Window Preferences Extensions on the PC or SketchUp Preferences Extensions on the Mac and check the Sandbox tools. The PC has a toolbar for the Sandbox under the View Toolbars menu. On the Mac, you can add the Sandbox tools you want to the toolbar under Toolbar Customize. Create from Scratch lets you create a flat surface with a gridded mesh. First, specify the size of the grid squares. Then click to show both dimensions of the perimeter of the grid. The surface is created as a group, so you must double-click the Select tool on it to edit it, or right-click, context click on it, and choose Edit Group. The grid is actually a triangulated surface with hidden edges for all the diagonals. This triangulation allows you to quickly modify the surface with the Smooth tool. The Smooth tool first requires a specified radius of influence, shown by a red perimeter indication. The cursor is the center of the influence and exerts the strongest pull on the surface, with the strength tapering off to 0 at the perimeter. A small value for smoothing will create sharper contrast in the surface. A large value will create smoother transitions within the surface. If I pre-select surfaces, the smoother will apply its radius of influence starting at the edge of the selected faces. Sometimes you might want finer detail within a surface. Use the Add Detail tool to create finer triangulation within the area you specify. Select the area to be worked on, and the Add Detail tool will subdivide all the selected triangles. If you want to just create more detail for a single triangle, you can select it with the Add Detail tool and immediately smooth the new vertex. You can also split a single edge with Add Detail. The Drape tool lets you put vector line work onto any surface, giving 3D life to your site plans. Often it is a good idea to smooth the terrain mesh prior to draping. Make sure that the line work is within the terrain group. Then, select the Drape tool, pick the line work, and finally select the surface. All the new edges will be merged into the surface, and now you're ready for painting the geometry as a 3D diagram.